how to cut your grocery bill in half. Welcome to the Shakaama Live Show with your host, Shakaama. So this is going to be a very direct and directed thing. It's only about a 3 list. Number 1 is 2018. Going to an actual grocery store to buy dry goods makes no sense anymore. Online shopping cuts all of your grocery food bills in half because they can provide the same food for dry goods at half the price. There's not 50 people involved. They're going directly from the manufacturer to that company, and they're selling to you directly. Also, you can get frozen goods such as beefs, meats, and what have you, fish, directly from online at half or if not less the cost. So that's number 1. Number 2, for vegetables and fresh goods, you need to make out a list, look online to see how much it costs, look in your Sunday paper, get your news coupons, make out a list, go to the bank, take out exactly that amount. Please calculate the taxes on it. Then go to the supermarket once a week for your perishable goods. Here's the problem. People go to the convenience store, they go to the grocery store more than 3 times a week. And while they're at the grocery store, they spend on this and they said, oh yeah, I need this. When you make up a list, when you take out the exact cash amount, not your card, you need to actually have a cash amount in your pocket. This will limit you to the cash that you have in the pocket, and do not use your card instead for extra stuff. It will cut your grocery bill almost to a third of what you were charging because you have a limitation now. This will cut your grocery bill not only in half, but even some reports are saying to up to 60%, if not 70%. It's 2018. We need to take advantage of all of the advances that we've made in shopping. Thank you all for watching. Please upvote the video, leave a comment. Thank you. Subscribe. Thank you.